Hello everyone, you're tuning in to the Basic Skills AI YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you another AI tutorial that explores a groundbreaking technology in video production. This transformative tool is known as Video-to-Video AI Services, enabling users worldwide to effortlessly alter styles or switch characters in videos without the need for advanced technical expertise. Before we dive into the tutorial, a quick reminder to support the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's delve into the world of AI on the Basic Skills YouTube channel. In the dynamic realm of video production, a revolutionary technology has emerged, reshaping the way we approach visual storytelling. Video-to-video AI services now empower anyone, anywhere, to make stylistic transformations or character switches in videos with just a few clicks. What was once the domain of skilled CGI and VFX artists can now be achieved without hefty hardware or expensive systems. However, it's essential to note that while this technology holds immense potential, it's not flawless. Like any innovative field, it has its limitations. The early stages of this AI still bear some imperfections, but I am optimistic that with time, these issues will be addressed, and the technology will evolve and improve. Let's be clear. This tutorial won't turn you into a CGI and VFX artist overnight. Instead, it aims to broaden your horizons. AI tools, especially video-to-video services, are paving the way for the future of VFX, CGI, and video editing. Embracing these technologies is crucial for staying relevant in this ever-changing landscape. Now, let me guide you through one of the available video-to-video services. Begin by visiting the Lensco website, where you can create a free user account. Once logged in, navigate to the Remix Video section, specifically the Animate Video link in the left menu. On the new page, you'll find the Upload Video button. To alter the style or character in your video, upload the desired video segment. You'll notice the appearance of the button changes, displaying the thumbnail of your uploaded clip. From here, you have two options for making changes. The first option, located under the Model section in the left menu, offers various styles like anime, 3D design, Pixar style, and more. By selecting a style, your video's appearance will transform accordingly. Alternatively, the second option involves specifying changes by entering text descriptions in the prompt box. Your prompt goes into the queue, and Lensco's AI applies the changes. After a short while, your new clip is ready for playback. Beside the video frame, you'll find an icon for downloading the edited video. If you find this tutorial informative, consider supporting the channel with the Super Thanks button below each video. Your contribution, no matter how small, motivates us to create more tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you want to know how to create text to video, then click on the right video of end screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.